Tom's Adventures here. Just want to let everyone know that we are safe for now. We are under a severe thunderstorm warning right now, but about an hour ago we had tornado warnings. And it looks like we've got some clouds coming our way. And just take a look at those clouds. They are really impressive. And all the airplanes, look. The airplanes are flying this way. They're not going to the storm lane. There it is, see? Flying that way to Baltimore Airport. It's over there.
Just a bad thunderstorm.
I hope that doesn't turn into a tornado.